In this video,
we will learn how to make Fortnite thumbnails. So if you want to make a thumbnail for a Fortnite for any social media content, all you need to do is just firstly open up your browser. There is a free website which you can use to make your YouTube or social media thumbnails. The website is pixlr.com. After typing it, hit enter. Now you will be redirected to the Pixlr website, which you can use to design your very own YouTube or thumbnail. After coming in here, click on Pixlr editor. From here, you'll select create new. And if you want to make a YouTube thumbnail, you have to select 1280 into 720 pixels. Then click on create. After that, a template will be provided to you. In here, you can do all kinds of stuff, and to make a thumbnail related to Fortnite, we'll need some assets. You can get assets by Googling easily. So for Fortnite, we'll just need a background. So in Google, we'll just type Fortnite background, then hit enter. After that, from the pictures tab, we will see that a lot of background images can be seen. We can just download any of them for our desire. And we will also need a few character models. So we'll just type Fortnite character transparent images. And now from here, we will just head into any website in here. We'll choose this one. In here, you can see that there are a lot of free Fortnite character PNGs which you can use. So you can download any of them from here. So as you can see, I have already downloaded a few of my own which I will be using for the thumbnail making. So firstly, we will need a background. So I'll just take a background from the ones I have downloaded. And we'll select add current. Now the background has been inputted as a layer, so we'll just delete the previous layer. Then after clicking on the selection tool, we will enlarge it to make the image across the screen. Now we will add a few characters. Add current. We'll just shorten it a bit. After shortening it, we will input it into our thumbnail. So we'll just make it seem a little bit better. After that, we can add another character. And after it, we'll add an arrow to indicate any of the elements that we are trying to implement. So like I'm pointing at this mouse using this arrow, which you can also find using your Google. After that, if you want to add a text, all you need to do is click on the T button from the left hand side, then click on the screen. Now it will say, do you want to add a text layer? You'll select add. Now you can add any text in here. So I'll just type in Fortnite. Now use the selection tool again and drag it at the top. Then go again in the text tool. From here, you can choose the font of the text you just added. You can make it bigger. You can change the color of the text from here. You can also change the size and change the formatting and style. So after you have successfully made your thumbnail, all you need to do is click on the File tab. From here, you need to click on Export. Then select Quick Export Image as PNG. Then save it on wherever you want. Now we can minimize it to go to desktop. And in here, you will see that the thumbnail we just created is here, and you can use it in your videos or social media platform. So this is how you can easily make your very own YouTube thumbnail for Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.